Hello all, welcome to Food Chemistry by Amrita. I hope you all are doing well and enjoying my healthy recipes and following me on all the social media handles. Here I am with another interesting Wednesday special recipe, that is the egg ka ghotala. So here I have kept boiled eggs. So I have taken 3 boiled eggs and I have not included the protein part of it, means basically the yellow part. So only for 2 eggs I have kept the yellow part, and here is 3 green chilies. The recipe is quite simple. Let's get started. All you need to do is just take a small box or kadai. Here I am using extra virgin olive oil. You can use any oil which is preferable. So very little bit of oil. I would recommend that you use some healthy version of oil so that it will be healthy. So once the oil is heated up, we will be putting the green chili. The chilies are almost cooked and it's time to put the very basic ingredients from your kitchen, that is the red chili powder. Here comes the turmeric powder. Salt as per taste. Wow, the smell is coming amazing, and look at the deliciousness of this simple Ande ka ghotala. At this point, you can also put 1 or 2 eggs and mix it so that you get a little smoother consistency. But I am preferring to have this like as it is, and I will be having a generous amount of lemon to get that pinch. Wow, mix it well. So are you ready to dig in? Because I am ready to dig in with my super easy Ande ka ghotala recipe. If you like this recipe, do let me know in the comment section. Do try it out, and thank you so much for watching Food Chemistry by Amrita. Stay healthy, remain healthy, and keep supporting.